Hi, Bodhi. My name is Barry, and Grandmother Kathy told me you really like engines. So I'd like to show you one that I have. It's almost 100 years old, and what it is, it's a gasoline motor for a washing machine. Yes, when you lived out on the farm, far away from the cities a long time ago, we had no electricity. You didn't have a wash machine where you just put clothes in and push a button. You had to have a gasoline engine like this that would make the agitator go around and wash the clothes. Yeah, so I want to show this to you. You put the gas in here, right there, and it's got a spark plug. And once you start it, it's got a way to stop it. You pull this little rod and you see how the spark plug touches the metal. The electricity goes through the metal and the motor will stop. And what's really interesting, when you go to start this, again, you don't push a button. You have to kick this pedal like people start a motorcycle. And sometimes it really smokes. So think if it was in your house and someone was doing the laundry. It wouldn't be long until the house was full of smoke. You'd have to open the doors and windows. So people, instead of this muffler, this is a pig just because I think it's kind of fun, they would put a hose here and go out the door and the smoke would go out. So I'm going to start it for you. Now remember, this is only the motor. The big washing machine would be up here where you put all the clothes and the agitator goes. And I built this little cart because the motor is very heavy. So the cart is only so I can move it around from my backyard to my garage, okay? So let me start it up for you. Sometimes it doesn't like to start right away. We'll see what happens, okay? Here we go. There she goes. Woo! That's it. Bodhi. Maybe I didn't tell you my name. My name is Barry. So if you have any questions, have your grandma ask me, okay? I enjoyed showing this to you. You have a good day. Thank you.